Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. So in this short Python tutorial I want to show how you can simply hide these matplotlib output lines down here. So to show this example I just import the packages up here. So we have pandas, numpy and matplotlib, and then we just create a simple data frame, the f, which contains 3 columns A, B and C, and actually when we just want to simply plot this data frame, we can just use plt.plotdf, and when we do that, we get this output here. So in front of the actual plot, we get this strange line here. For each column, we get one line. So you can imagine when you use a data frame with 10 columns, then you would have here 10 lines, and after that, the plot, which is actually important. In order to get rid of these 3 lines, there is just a super simple trick. You just need to type here a semicolon after the command. So when you run that, you get no lines up here and you only get the plot you wanted. If that video helped in your case as well, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and see you next time.